Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to go through past papers with you guys for students who are at Damlin studying diploma IT second year. Yeah, it's programming 2A. It's like sort of like an introduction to Java. It's basically if you kind of like understand the fundamentals of Java. So this past paper is on Java. And I'm more of a practical guy. I can try and touch into some theory, but I might make up answers. No, I'm not going to make up answers. I'll try to be honest. And if you feel like maybe I'm making up answers, you can maybe use Google to find answers. I don't know. This is basically my understanding. If I get it wrong, I'm really sorry. But with practical, I know I'm good. I can assure you accurate answers. If I make a slight mistake, I'm really sorry. At the end of the day, this was just practice. I chose this past paper SIC test because like it has a proper structure of an exam or test or anything. You know, they are kind of like still the same, but exam is heavy. But also this can be a value. It's heavy for exam. It's good use for practice. SIC test is like if I missed the first test, then I write a SIC test. But the others, they just have a lot of memos. So this is the one test that doesn't have a memo. I did look at the memos and understood what was going on and practice and attempt. I know it's like I was cramming, but honestly, it was just practice. I kind of like understood it a lot of times, like since for like 2 months. So yeah, I can help you. Okay, let's get right into it. So it's a 2-hour paper. We'll try to do this in less than 2 hours. I don't know if that's possible. Yeah, instructions. A lot of people don't read that stuff, but well, you don't need to. Just make sure on the exam you bring your ID and student card. That's it. Or if you don't have an ID or a passport, you can also bring your driver's license. It represents an ID. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's use a timer, right? So let's say, you know, because maybe this video is not an accurate thing. Let's just say I'll call it time. Let's just say like we just started, we were writing down names, right? Oh snap, sorry, you're gonna start answering the questions. So yeah, let's go into it. Like if I click on here, go down, and let's just say you were writing your names and you're done and you started to begin, and they say start. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Anyways, so let's scroll down. So the first question says section A, question 1. So I think I have my Microsoft thingy here. So section A. Let me make it a bit bigger. Question 1. Sorry, I need to make this smaller. Where is this? I could easily do like this. Yeah. Yeah. So we could make this also a bit smaller. Now 1.1. We could okay, that's we just wasted 1 minute. Okay, so adds a line in Java. Which one, like if you look into Java, is this like something that you can use? I feel like this one is sort of like you see it in Notepad, in sort of like web development. I might be wrong, but I think, yeah, that's what I know. So yeah, that's what I'm heavily confident that it is this one, because this is used for a single line. If this cannot be, this is used for, well, okay, this looks good. I have used this, but for something, man. Was it actually for Java? Let me try. Okay, you can test this out. I did use this thing. It was like it had to be for Java as well. You could use this way. And this one is for like more than one line. Sorry guys, I just want to see something that I used this thing at some point. Like if I say one line, one thing, and then I like go back a bit and then I start typing. No, I think I used it for Notepad. Sorry. Okay, let's just ignore this. Let's just get out of here. Discard and then get out. No, it's this one, guys. For effect, it's obviously this one. You know, sometimes like you can trust your answer, but then there's always that other one that makes you go dizzy. So the thing is, you just, you know, it's this one. I'm confident that this is the answer. It's this one. Snap. Why am I not highlighting this one? The next one allows two or more statements to be grouped in a code of blocks. Is code brackets, code blocks, group code, none of the above. It's risky to say none of. Just go for code blocks, because code blocks, I mean, his name is Willie, his name is Banda. Who is he? Willie Banda. Yeah. Then you go for this one. An error in which a compiler detects a violation of language syntax rules and is unable to translate into source code to machine code. It could be syntax error, but now it's talking about compiler. So you could match up. It's all about matching up the words. Compile time error. I remember in my notes it has to do something about this. You know. A method that does not return a value with the type. Int we know is part of the data type, double and string, but void is like sort of like it doesn't return. It's basically like a virus. It's like not a virus, it's like a null or something. You know, it just there. It doesn't do much. Ends with the same. You see from my previous video, a variable declaration must end with a semicolon, because like we've been using semicolons, guys, not comma, period, or colon. Java on a hypothetical computer is known as Java Virtual Machine, or Java Versatile Machine, Java Compiler. No, it's actually Java Virtual Machine. You can do research there. Which of the following data types is more precise? For my, I don't know, maybe I might be wrong, but I would say it's double, because double can do what int can do what short, and can do float. You know, because it's not restricted to. It can deal with many types of data. It can handle any type of data type. It's like saying that. It's like saying Usain Bolt can run, can do short put, can dive, can swim. You know, that's what double can do. Basically, it can represent integers, it can represent anything, I think. Or maybe I'm wrong. I know it can represent integers, but I don't know about short and float. I think it can, you know. I don't even know what short and float is. Like, my textbook had not enough notes about that. The smallest integer type is byte. I've always known that. It's obvious. Like, why would it be short? Just because now you're saying short is small? No, guys. Unless if you are in English, but this is IT, guys. We say, or if you don't know anything, I forgive you. But it's actually byte. I've noticed that byte is ones and zeros. It's like so small. Not like ones and zeros, but like it's like you know, it could be a lot of things. Yeah, I'm saying crap, but I know it's byte. Correct way of saying long, because now we say it could long x. You are representing long nicely at the end, so you can't say if or nothing. We could say this. So now a condition that performs sort of like, oh guys, by the way, no, I was supposed to answer the question here. Ish, my flop. Okay, so a condition that performs what at the bottom of the loop is it's a while, because it's always at the bottom. If you have noticed loops, you should check in my other videos. Oh god, this was a big mistake. So I said what? 1.1 1.1b right, 1.1 1.1b 1.1b no 1.2b 1.3d 1.2 1.2b 1.3d 1.4 1.4 V. Wait, no. So not V, because I said void. No, C. Actually, it's C. Yeah. Then 5A, guys, 5A, and then 5A, 6B, 1.6B. Okay, let's say 1.7 B D BD. Let's do BD. B D. What's this other one? C and A. CNA. I like that store. Sells nice books for young people. C and A. Wait, sorry. C and A. Oh snap! Yeah, we're done. And we save this. Control S. It's already saved. Now we go to question 2, and I managed to so question 2. Now here, okay, I'm going to divide the videos into 2 because like I can't upload this video on YouTube. I can't upload the entire thing because you guys will be bored. If you're focused in practical theory, go ahead. Practical, whatever, it's fine. So this one, okay, it is true or false. So basically, when I was in high school, I did CAT. When you say false, you need to state why it is false. When you say true, leave it as it is. But in this case at Damlin, you can say either it's true or either it's false. You'll get full 10 marks. Each of them are 5 questions. Now, okay, let's read the question. It is not a method. It is not the methods that decide how the class can be used. Who decides how the class can be used? They are methods, because that thing of, have you noticed, like if you open Java, there's that thing that says public static void main. That thing is a method, so it decides how classes are used. For me, I'll go for true. It's actually 2.1. Snap. 2.1. It's true. Ah God, like it's true. Okay. Maybe I didn't do this properly. True. God, okay. I wanted it to pop 2.2, but it's okay. I could go here and do that, but I'm just lazy. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Oh God. Okay, fine. We scroll down. Okay, you want things to be easier done that way, like this. Let's make it more nice, more interactive. Oh God. Like look, rain is nice, outside it's raining, but I just, there's a thunderstorm, but I'm still scared of the weather. I don't know. Sorry, I'm for getting a bit personal. I'm just like, I don't know, it just gives me this vibe of like, if I touch the tap, I'll get electrocuted. Or I walk outside, I get, lightning, and maybe God will come, and I didn't say please, I repent. What am I saying? Okay, sorry, let me stop being childish. So we do know that char, they are not integers. It may be you can use them as if they were integers. Ooh! Oh, char. Yeah, char, I agree, they are not integers because they deal with calling out characters. But at some point, you may use them as if they were integers. That is true. I agree. I'll explain what char is. This past paper is a question about char. It is not possible to add two values together or increment them to the value of the characters available. It is not possible. You know that thing of, you know, these questions, the true or false. You know how even if you know nothing about programming or Java whatsoever, even if I picked you a random person outside to answer these true or false questions, they won't fail. They will probably, the best mark I can guarantee them is like a 60% abovewards. They'll get like 3 out of 5. Basically it's 2 marks each, so 6 out of 10. Why I say so, it's because the questions they ask you, like things like, oh, girls cannot code, disabled people can't be the president of a country, you can't do this. It's sort of like undermining, there's sort of like type of undermining true or false questions. So you could tell that now, man, you're getting somewhat of a bad vibe. So you could guess even if you don't know. But like, it is not possible to add 2 characters or increment them to the value of the character available. Increment has to do with I++, and I'll go for true. Like, even if I know nothing, I go for true. And you still pass these things now. Ish, man, that lightning. Okay, so okay, one class can also be of another class. True. Yo, at some point I'm like, ish, maybe I should add a false somewhere. No, false. Yeah, they can interchange. False. Yeah, false, they can interchange. I know the answer looks dodgy, but trust me, it's a great way of answering questions, you know. Oh god, rain. Guys, I'm chill with rain. Relax. Ish, guys. Okay, fine. Let's go to these. Okay, so these ones, hey guys, look, like, okay, we can say section B, even if it's small. Section B. Oh god, section B. Section B, question 3. Question 3, and we just like, we can increase the value. I don't know for how long, maybe like a little bit. Yeah. God, okay, what? Okay. Okay, maybe a bit. God. Okay, a variable. You're asking me what is a variable? My understanding, sort of a variable. For me, I think it's like it stores, like it's used for, is like a memory location. Something about a memory location. Nah. Guys, do your own research. Sorry. Just say what is a variable. Like, I can't just say, oh, it's that thing you declare with. I remember somewhere it said you store, it's where you store variables. It's where you store values in a memory, in a memory location, is an instance of a class. That might not get you 2 marks, but you try. Attributes, they are something of characters, methods. Yo guys, I don't know the others, no. I don't know. Good luck trying them on your own. But attributes, god, I'm not good with theory, like I told you guys. I think on the next video I'm going to say, I'm going to share to you how, because I don't think I can even do this question. 2 things you understand about returning values. Yo, snap, what can I say? There was something I could have said, but guys, okay, you want the memo, ne? Okay, let's say you want the memo. Where's the 6th test? There was a 6th test memo at some point. Okay, this is programming 2B, my bad. Sorry, terrible decision what I did. Okay, I'm not good with practical. I mean theory. Like wow. Sick test memo. Yes, let's go here. Oh, I was wrong. Damn it. We'll go through these past papers. Now this is the memo. You could just screenshot whatever, ne? And yeah. For this one, I'll be doing this question 6 and the rest by from my head. Yeah. Snap, I was actually wrong. Okay, let's see if I was right. Let's see how I went. Yeah, so this is the end of the theory practice. Snap. So for here I was right. We'll put a green marker. God, green. No, sorry. Green. Can't we use green, eh? We were right. Green. We were right. Doesn't matter. Green. We were right. Sorry, I'm sort of like a perfectionist. I want to. God, okay. 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 Let's do this. Nah. Let's do this. Go back in time. Now forward, and then here it was actually green. Okay, now let's do green. We're right. What color? Sorry. Green. 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 The multiple choice wasn't that bad. It was straightforward. It was just like how many fingers do you have? 5. Then when it goes to question 2, how many bones do you have? What message does it send to the what? God, I couldn't handle that. Wait, I didn't check one. Okay, now wait, what? 1.6 was B and 1.5 was A. Now I didn't know what 1.7 was. It was also B, and then here it was D. God, okay, D. I need that D. Give me that D. Yeah, there we go. And then now there it's 1 point. Wait, one. Okay, now 1 point thingy was C. We were right there. Then this thing, it was actually wrong. It should be red because you got it wrong. It was actually, wait, it was actually, oh, while goes to the top, it doesn't go to the bottom, because I mixed up do while with while, guys. God, I could have, like, here I just got 9 out of 10 basically. Okay, 9 out of 10. So basically I got like, yeah, it is actually 9 out of 10, right? Like it's basically like 10 marks here, 10 marks. Weird, but yeah, 10 marks. God, where's this thing? Okay, 10 marks. Now here we got it false, true. Here it was false. Okay, it's, yeah, I was wrong. Maybe I didn't study properly before. True. Wow, false. Guys, okay, sorry. You see, I'm not a theory guy, guys. But well, at least I'm a human. You know, we're going through this together. I'm not qualified to teach you these things. You know, I'm just like, also when I help, I learn from my mistakes. We're engaging. Also, you guys, you're also doing your part in like saying, oh, Willie, you made a mistake there. You know, it's normal, I guess. Okay, we say false was actually false, yeah. And here we said true, which was actually true. Wow, did I actually fail this? I can't believe I said this was the easiest. I'm so shocked. I said that this was the easiest. But guys, even if you see like false, true, false, true, false, that's not a pattern. I know it's a pattern. It's just a coincidence. It's not like, oh, so she writes. So it means like if I go to the next question, I must say false, true. No, guys, don't do that. So I actually got like 2, 4. Like I got like 40 out of 4 out of 10 for this one. Yeah, I need to catch up with theory. You see, I could have rehearsed so many times for this video, but I'm well prepared for it. So here it's I was kind of like right. It was actually like an instance of a class. Oh, they give you 2 marks for that. Oh, of course, yeah. Where's this instance of a class? And then here they give us what? Something that stores your value, memory, what. A named computer location memory. That's simple. So I'll give myself sort of like yellow. You know, it's like the traffic stop robot, like green, red, yellow. So this is like 1 mark, 2 marks here, 3 marks. Got 3 out of 10. 4 out of 10. So it's 3 plus 4 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So far so good. I got 16, basically 16 out of 36. Not a good mark. Myself, I need to do my part in preparing for this, and also practicing myself, preparing to I need to do my part in studying, focusing heavily on theory, because I'm too much into practical. I need to look into theory, because at some time I know you need theory to understand practical, but not everything, just like fundamentals of theory to understand practical. But in terms of like passing theory, you'll be weak. So it's best if you understand heavily on theory. For me, I need to actually, I know that in exams, practical is more important than theory, but guys, please, Bayafana, like they're both the same. Like you need to know that like it doesn't make a difference. You should still work on theory, you know. For me, I need to do my part in working on theory. I can't continue making an excuse and saying I'm a theory guy. It's not fair. I can't make sorry, I made a mistake saying that. I can't make excuses saying that I'm a practical guy, you know. I'm good at practical, but I should also work on theory. I should really put effort on theory. Yeah, I hope if I put effort in theory, it doesn't make me forget practical. But it's short. Yeah, so these are the memos, and thing is, yeah, yeah guys, hopefully you find this video good. I don't know how long it took me. So basically I spent like, okay, let's do the timing. I wasn't even done with theory, but I already wasted I don't know if it's a waste. I'm not good with time management, I can't tell, but I can say it's I kind of used, is it 25 minutes if I'm not sure? 25, okay, so okay, yeah, I wasted kind of like 25 minutes and some few seconds, basically 25 minutes. But yeah, it shows I need to do some improvement there. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. In the next one we're gonna focus into theory, practical, and bye. No, I can't say bye. You see, with this one, it's not that I was doing 25 minutes on theory. I was not even done yet. So maybe I would have wasted for example, I'm thinking 35 minutes or 40 minutes just to finish theory with poor answers. So it means I need to work on theory a lot. Guys, take theory seriously, you know. But I know theory is like you need to have a strong understanding. Practical is like you need to be flexible. So yeah guys, you saw this YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you when we do practical. Yeah.